Hello, welcome back to Daniel's DIY channel. Today we're doing an unboxing video. It's my first time doing one of these, so bear with me. Today we have the Ryobi 10-inch expandable capacity table saw with rolling stand. I bought this in order to cut this melamine board that I'm going to use to make my molds for my kitchen countertops, which you will see in an upcoming video of how I installed those and how I built them. We're going to show you how to build the molds and also how to pour the concrete and every step by step on how to do that. But let's get into this review, or not review, unboxing. Let's pull it out here. Nice to the package and some styrofoam. So this looks like some sort of a blade guard to protect you from getting your hands cut. Might or might not use that. That was nice. This is something you'd put, if you're cutting a thin board, you'd put this on the board to run it through. That way your hand's not next to the blade. I was going to build one of these out of wood, so it's nice that it came with one. I don't have to worry about building one. Not sure what this is. A little piece of metal. I'm sure it has something to do with putting it together. This is the expandable tabletop. So nuts, bolts, washers, and an Allen wrench. The wheels for the rolling table. Instructions. Don't need those. Look like the legs to the table. This is the wall that I run the lumber next to, and then the blade will be over here. This should be able to be moved, slide to expand it. Looks like the capacity on this tabletop 27 inches, so I can be able to have 27 inches between the rail and the blade, so I can get a 27-inch board cut through there, which is nice. That's why I bought this model. A little more expensive than just a cheap one. You can get Ryobi table saws for around $100. This one was like $250, but it has that wider rip capability, which is what I need for doing my table, or not tables, countertops. Because I have a 25 inches that I need to cut for the tabletop or countertop. So that's why I got this one. It goes to 27 inches. So it'd be a little bit more than I need, but better than the smaller ones, which only go to like 15 inches. So I wanted to work for what I needed for. Well, that's everything that comes in the box. Now I'm just going to switch to time-lapse mode while I put this together. Enjoy that part. So it's a lot harder to put together than I thought. I do need the instructions. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you did. This is a new channel. There will be lots of more videos to come. DIY projects, building stuff, gardening, reviews of products that I use, also reviews and how-to videos on tools that I use as well, unboxing videos. Yeah. See you next time.